We advise customers to always read the use and care guide that is included in the product. This video is only for informational purposes. How to change your refrigerator's temperature with the electronic board. The temperature inside the refrigerator depends on the amount of food inside, frequency of use, and external temperature. To ease its adjustments, we offer the following recommendations. Locate the control board inside the unit. You will see that the product has a preset recommended temperature. To adjust this temperature, you need to press the cooling button located on the left. Each time that you press the button, the LED light will move from left to right. Once the control has the setting at the coldest, by pressing once again the cooling button, the temperature will move to the least cold setting. We suggest leaving the setting at the recommended position. If you detect that your food is not at the desired temperature, you can perform adjustments. If the food is not cold enough, move the setting to your right, and if they are too cold, move the setting to the left. When you need to do cleaning or fill the refrigerator with new food, you can turn off the cooling to save energy. To do this, you need to hold the cooling button for 4 seconds. You will notice that the LED indicators are off. During this time, the refrigerator's cooling system will be off, allowing you to perform any of the 2 activities. To initiate the cooling system again, you have to press the cooling button for another 4 seconds. These recommendations will help you to select the proper temperature level for better food preservation.